Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Like always, I'm back here with another video and I have brought an absolute gem for you. The cryptocurrency's name is Olympus and it is a DAO. So, wherever you hear the name DAO with insane APY, you will hear the name of Olympus DAO first. They are presently offering around 7,000% APY. How they're able to do that is an absolute genius and a masterclass. I have been invested in Bitcoin since 2017, 2016, and I was invested in some altcoins in 2019, but never did I give up my Bitcoin. Although I knew there were great gains to be made, I was in the market, but nothing attracted me that much because Bitcoin represented a dream and a dream of decentralization, a dream of changing the world, giving power to the many. It was so beautiful, it was so attractive that no other crypto came even close. Well, after Bitcoin, it is Ohom, ladies and gentlemen. Ohom is the cryptocurrency of Olympus DAO, and they have a dream, and the dream is to become the reserve currency of the planet. Bitcoin will be digital gold, Ohm will be the reserve currency. The idea behind, you have to go through it, how they are minting the currency. So basically they are trying to do what governments did. They were minting money out of thin air. So that is what Ohm is doing, but they are offering insane returns because they are able to mint Ohm for nothing. And the market is presently paying them, like the current price of Ohm is around $850. Let me just see. So the current price of Ohm is $821. What costs Olympus DAO to create that? Absolutely nothing, but the market is ready to pay. So, needless to say, they are making crazy profit and the market is paying the premium. Why the market is paying the premium needs to be investigated, and this is where you do your own research. You just don't listen to a panda online and just go and throw your money on a project. Do your own research, work out why their market is paying $821 of premium overhead the price of $1 per ohms. Ohm is not pegged to the dollar, but it is backed by dollars. Backing currently is so 161 dollars approximately. So what does backing mean? That you'll have to investigate as well. Let me just give you a slight bit of an idea. So, backing basically means that if everyone sells and cashes out right now, the APY will continue to increase right down. The game theory will come and play in. The APY will continue to increase the price. People will unstake and continue to sell. The right now the backing per ohm is $160. So virtually the price cannot drop below $160, and at $160 you will have a significant portion of the treasury. The treasury right now is a basket of assets which includes stable coins, Ethereum. You can go through their page, it is very nicely done. 90% of the ohm are staked, and right now I'm advising you to go in right now because there are serious changes happening. They are shifting from the gas heavy ETH protocol to the to AVAX, and this is the right time as the price is $821. It was around $1,500. The price may drop, but the time spent in Ohm is greater than timing. Ohm is a mem. You should go and study what 3 is all about. I will repeat that. Time spent in Ohm is greater than timing Ohm. Why? Because of compound interest. Compound interest is known as the eighth wonder of the world. To really understand compound interest, you'll have to go through the chessboard analogy. I will just So, what is the chessboard analogy? Coming right here, a king, his chessboard, and the most important secret in the universe compound interest. Ladies and gentlemen, for us mortals to just understand compound interest, it is not that easy. Warren Buffett, in his documentary Becoming Warren Buffett, talks about this story of a king and his the chessboard. You should go through that. Basically, what they try to say is that if you keep on compounding just one grain of rice on the blocks of the chessboard, by the time, and you keep on compounding, you will run out of all rice in the planet. It comes out to be in quintillions. Go over this analogy in your own time. Uh, as you can see, O Emperor, my wishes are simple. I only wish for this. Give me one grain of rice for the first square of the chessboard, two for the next. And once this cannot be fulfilled because the total production of rice will run out if you compound on each block. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The total production of rice will run out. So, this is the power of compound interest, and this is why Olympus is able to pay you 8,000% of APY. Currently, it is at around 7,000%. Then, why am I telling you to buy Olympus right now? Because look at who is supporting the project. It is Grimes, ladies and gentlemen, and there are rumors that maybe Musk is also behind this project, because the another fork of Olympus that I'll be talking about in the later videos deals with climate change, that is known as Klima. And the 3 mem has been talked about by Tim Ferriss and many others. 3 mem is related, as you can see if you go and search this. The 3 mem has been tweeted by Tim Ferriss and Grimes and many others with serious following. So as you can see, memes are taking over the planet. So make sure that you go and research what these memes are all about, what Olympus DAO is all about, how they are able to offer this, and like Bitcoin, have they found something truly amazing. So if Bitcoin takes over as digital gold, can Olympus really be the reserve currency of the planet by offering this? They already have many other projects which I'll be doing videos later on. They are supporting some forks, and they are being paid in fee, and they are benefiting from that as well. If you go to their website, they have all the information available. And if you have any questions regarding Olympus DAO, how they're able to offer this APY, what is the bonding method, what is the how to stake Olympus to gain this return, what the price mechanics, anything, do ask in the comment section below. I love to answer your questions, and do support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And like always, I hope you have a great day ahead. Take care and enjoy, Johnny.